Hello everyone, welcome to Math with KM. Today we'll be doing the 2023 A Math Specimen paper, question 1. I'll be doing this question first and I'll be explaining throughout the entire video. If you have any questions, feel free to pause the video and comment down below. I'll reply to it as soon as I can. Okay, the line XA over YB is equals to 1, where A and B are positive constants. This is an important note we have to take note of, because later in the question we have to reject one of the answers. So this is important, take note. Moving on, intersects the x-axis at S and y-axis at T. Given the gradient of ST is negative 1/3 and the distance is square root 40, find A and B. Okay, for this I'm gonna sketch a graph because it's more easier. Okay, so this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, then let's say the line intersects. Okay, so the x-axis is at point S, so this x-axis, right, I'm gonna do a random plot because it doesn't matter. So here I'm gonna put S. So if it intersects at the x-axis, what do you know what's the coordinate? If it intersects the x-axis, then y is equal to 0, correct, right? So I'm gonna put y 0. This is the coordinate for S. Okay, now it also intersects at T. It also intersects at y-axis, so T intersects here. This is T, point T, which is if it intersects at the y-axis, what is the value? If it intersects the y-axis, x equals 0. Good job. Okay, so this is the coordinates. Okay, remember that. Okay, moving on. Given that the gradient, okay, how do you find gradient? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the gradient, okay? Is negative 1/3. Okay, do you have the coordinate for this? This sounds familiar. Where do you find this coordinate? This coordinate is here and here, correct? So just sub this in. Then you can use cross multiplication. So what I'm doing here, okay? So y2 is this one. This is y2, y1, x2, x1. Oh guys, give me a minute. I realized I made a mistake. Can someone tell me what's the mistake I made? I switched this position. So how should it be? It should be 0 y. Okay, now 0 y, right? Okay, now it's better. Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is negative 1/3. Okay, so for this one, right, let's cross multiply. So I'm gonna bring this entire thing, I'm gonna multiply with this thing, whatever it is. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 times 0 is 0, so negative 3y, negative y minus negative 3 is positive 3y equals to x. Okay, this one, okay, positive 3y equals to x. Okay, you keep it. Okay, now we already have this, right? We forgot one step. We have this. Now we have the line, this one. So you have to sub this, because this is intersects. Intersects means the line comes here lah. So intersects. So you have to sub x to b. Come on, I can hear you. Yeah, since they intersect, right, these both are equal. So let's sub x equals 0. So let's sub x equals 0 first into this equation. So which gives us 0 over a plus y over b equals to 1. So 0 over a is what? 0, right? So 0 equals to 1 minus y over b. B equals to 1. Or b equals to y. Yeah, negative b equals to negative y. B equals to 1. Okay, let me find the first point. B equals to also first point. Okay, let me erase this. It's a bit confusing. This one later part. Okay, don't worry so much. Okay, now okay, this is b equals to y. Okay, we found this coordinate. Now we define a. How do you find a? Sub y equals to 0. So x over a plus 0, b equals to 1, x equals 2. Okay, come on, do a calculation and tell me. Correct, x equals to a. So x equals to 8. Okay, you found the two coordinates, right? Now, what do you do with these two coordinates? Okay, exactly, you have to sub it in, like what we did. Find gradient and sub it in, sub it here. So I'm gonna use this, okay, so I'm gonna sub this inside. So it's gonna be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So sub this, so x equals to a, then b equals to y equals to b. Okay, is that clear? Is from here everyone clear, right? Okay, moving on. I'm gonna do y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to negative 1/3. Now it's easy. So it's it's gonna be 3b equals to 8. Okay, we just skip this. Okay, 3b equals to 8. Okay, now moving on. And the distance is negative 40. This one's quite important. Okay, the distance is 40. Okay, now we need to know the distance formula. I'll write the formula: y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square root. Okay, this is the distance formula. Okay, let's sub the values respectively. Okay, so what is y2? 0. So 0 minus b square plus a minus 0 square. Now you square root it, equals to square root 40. Now this is very, very simple. Okay, I'm gonna add a blank page in case we need. Okay, so how do you do this? Okay, from here it's very simple. Square root. Then it's gonna be o minus k. This one, right, is this b square plus a square gives me 40. Okay, so b square plus a square equals to 40. So okay, it seems like, oh my god, what am I gonna do now? I'm stuck here. Oh my god, but listen, this is a is here, so you sub this. So sub a equals to 3b. So b square plus 3b square equals to 40. Now b square plus sub 9b square equals to 40. So what is b plus 1 plus it's 10b square equals to 40. 10b equals to 40 by 10 is 4. B is square root 4 2. Yay, we found our first value. Okay, this one, okay, not yet. Plus minus 1. So this is plus, this is minus, or minus 2. Okay, now which one do you reject? Good job, you said this one, right? Why? I'm gonna put reject here. Why? I need a reason why. Come on. Okay, let me go back. Okay, why? Here, because it's a positive constant. So your reasoning should be why? Because a should be a positive constant. Okay, this is good. Yeah, a positive constant. All right. Okay, now we keep this. Okay, now we sub b 2 equals to where? Where can you sub? Here. Here. Okay, so sub b equals to positive 2. So sub b equals to 2. This is 3, 2 equals to 6. Okay, guys, so I think we've derived the answer. So a is 2, b is 6. Yeah, they say find the value of a and b, and that's it. That'll give you a solid 5 marks. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is only the first question. I will be uploading a series of questions regarding from 1 to all the way to the entire paper. This is paper 1, by the way. This is 2023 AMS Specimen paper 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like my first ever video, which is